First, welcome to Sky Crypto channel. This video I will share you less important updates about Shiru coin, its price prediction this year mega balloon. Because friends, right now Shiru is on its all-time low and Shiru is loading to break its all-time high soon. I can see I'm already holding Shiru on MEX exchange. I buy this coin for short term and also for long term. This my amount is for short term. When Shiru do I think 5 to 10x, then I will sell out my all these amount. But I have three more MEX exchange account where I'm holding Shiru for long term because I think this meme coin can lead this mega bullion in meme coins category. This meme coin has potential to be the next 1000x meme coin because right now you can see only 10 million market cap. I can see friends, only $10 million market cap. But Shiro has potential to be the next 1 to maybe $3 billion market cap, or maybe up to $10 billion market cap meme coin. It's really possible that this cat theme meme coin in the Ethereum chain can hit market cap of 10 billion from just 10 million. That will be exactly 1000x from here. Shiro current price is 700.7 times 010 dollars current price due to recent market crash for tariff news. Entire crypto market was dumped, and I can see Shiro is also dumped almost 70% in last 30 days, 15% last 14 days. Market right now only 10.4 million. This is very bad market because already I think 800 or $1 billion market around that number. 1.3 million trading volume in last 24 hours. Still trading volume is good, friends, because already you sent like exchange listing for this coin. You can see Ethereum ecosystem, Carthy meme coin, and Shiba Inu's back meme coin. 97% down than its all-time high. That was December 9, 4 months ago. Shiru hit all-time high market, sorry, all-time high price, you put 6 times 04, $6, 97% down. So this is no good performance from this meme coin, but due to Binance listed meme coins are also down, and crypto market is not having good days, so that's why this price is also jumped badly here. Only 21% up than its all-time low, as I already told you that right now we are on its all-time low also. So only 21% up than its all-time low. These are some central exchanges where this coin is listed. As I already provide you get.io and MEX exchange links in description, so you can see friends, most central exchanges is already list this coin, and maybe in future we can see its listing on Binance Coinbase. It's really possible that Shiru can be the next listing for Binance and Coinbase in coming few months when crypto market will be in good days. Then definitely this coin can be the next listing for Binance and Coinbase. Before that, you can buy this meme coin on these central exchanges. If you not have Gadget.io and MEX exchange account yet, I provide you both central exchanges links in description. You can join both central exchanges where you can buy all newly launched base meme coins and all other cryptos before listing on major central exchanges. You can see friends, you can check out all further details here on their website about tokenomics. That is 1 quadrillion. Okay, Shiru's total supply I can see is 1 quadrillion, zero buying selling tax for this coin. Fair launch, 100% token in the LP liquidity, so this is good. On Etherscan Fest, you can check out all further details at 19,230 holders for Shiru coin already. This is good. 19,000 holders for Shiru. This is amazing. 17.4% supply is already burned. 1 quadrillion total supply. Out of them, 17% supply is already burned. Current worth about $1.8 million. So this is good, friends. Huge burning. Shiru community has 15% of its token. Shiru Treasury has 12.2% of its token, and Shiru Marketing has 7.3% of token. Exchange listing has 6.1% of its token. Okay, for exchange listing, friends, I can see future burn. This is good. A wallet number 8 is future burn. That will burn 2.5% of more supply. Though this is good that in future burns are continuing. You can see friends, top 10 wallets are its own wallets. You can see another Shiru community wallet partnerships. So it's okay. There should be not high amount in its community due to we have massive crash in Mantra Om coin. So maybe this is good, friends. It's normal for meme coin because it's a meme coin. Okay, you can see wallet number 11 is MEX exchange wallet, and wallet 12 is again its own advisor wallet holding 2% of supply. Get.io, another MEX exchange wallet. Shiru team has 0.5% supply. So this is good that Steam has only 0.5% supply. Uniswap, that Ethereum, DEX, some all central exchanges, Lbank, Bitmart holding this coin. And friends, maybe in coming few months we can see Binance wallets, Coinbase wallets also here to hold Shiru, because right now we have no any hype in crypto market for meme coins. So that's why Shiru is also down. But when we see good days in crypto market for meme coins, then definitely this meme coin has potential to skyrocket here, and we can see its market going upward here. We can see its chart that is right now, you can see going down, down, down here, and right now we are on its all-time low. But it's possible that Shiru can fight again here, and we can see Shiru to skyrocket upward. Friends, before price prediction about Shirucoin, if you still not join my Telegram channel, you can also join my Telegram channel where you can get all latest crypto updates here. Just like I told you about AI Dogecoin, I told you about SBA coin, and many other crypto meme coin signal, and more information about crypto. Just like I told you about Bread coin, and Brett also pump huge here, and many other coin, and also Maniki coin more than 100% pump. So link in description. You can also join my Telegram channel. And if you like my content and you want to support Sky Crypto channel, then I have provided these all my crypto addresses links in description. Also on my Telegram channel, you have to just join my Telegram channel. Click here, okay, click here in pin message. You can get my addresses and you can support Sky Crypto channel for the next 1000x potential meme coins. Stress Shiru current market cap is very low. You can see only 10.4 million. Okay, so super low cap meme coin, and it's still I think only 5 cent like exchanges has list this coin. So no doubt, investing right now, Shiru, can be highly risky but can be highly rewarded also. This is one of my new favorite meme coin. Okay, because as you know, I have already few favorite meme coins. Just like my favorite meme coin is Flokino, my favorite coin is Turbo, most favorite meme coin is Dogelon Mars, and now in new meme coin, Shiru is my most favorite meme coin. I think we can see its market from just 10 million to maybe up to $10 billion here. Right now it's looking impossible, friends, but this is crypto market. Everything is possible here. If you hit a 7 to 800 million market and right now crash up to just 10 million, so it's really possible that we can see Shiru again from just 10 million market up to $10 billion market in this year's super cycle meme coins mega bullion. Definitely when crypto market will again recover, when we see BTC new all-time high and massive boom in crypto market for meme coins, at that time definitely Shiru can be listed on major central exchanges, and we can see its major updates here, and its market cap can reach up to 10 billion. What do you think? What's your price prediction about Shiru coin? Are you holding Shiru or not? Do you really think that Shiru has potential to reach $10 billion market cap and can give us 1000x return in this year's super cycle mega bullion or not? You can must comment down below.